Hey guys, so today we're working on a 2015 Kia Forte. Should be the same thing for 2014 all the way up until currently 2019 Kia models. It might even be the same thing for 2010 and up. Kia Rios as well, but you go ahead and just double check that if you want. So today we're going to try to replace the cabin air filter. Just go ahead and drop your glove box. It's relatively pretty simple. You're going to see these two turning knobs. You're going to go ahead and unscrew them counterclockwise, so to the left, both of them, and it's going to drop down. And if you look, you're going to see this plastic part here has a hydraulic to it. You're going to go ahead and just pull that out. You'll see it drops it completely. This is the actual little part that has like a hydraulic in it so that it doesn't come swinging down. So go ahead and drop that. And if you look, there's going to be a panel right here. There's going to be these two squeeze clips, one to the left, one to the right. Go ahead and just disconnect those or squeeze them, and you should see the panel comes right off, and you have access to your cabin air filter. Go ahead and just pull it out. This is my original one. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. If you look, airflow always goes down, so when you do put your new one in, make sure that it does have the arrow pointing down, airflow straight down, because if you don't, that is going to lead to some problems. So go ahead and just toss your old one. So I just wanted to show you also real quick just what the old one versus the new one looks like. You can pick these up relatively at any auto parts store or even online. They usually range from $18 to $22 depending on brand. Some come with also like Febreze incense in them, so that when they do filter out, you get some smell, because some people didn't have allergies, so you may prefer that. So when you go ahead and put that in again, make sure the airflow is going down. Just slides right in the same way you pulled it out. It's not really that hard, guys. I am using one hand just to show you that. Slide it in. That's really it. Here's my old one still. And then when you put your cover back on, same thing. If you look, there's these clips. You're going to go ahead and just push it back on. They're just pressure clips, pressure tabs, whatever you want to call them. Pop it right back on. Same thing. Then I recommend putting this on first. Again, it's not that hard. I'm doing it with one hand just to show you how easy it is. And then you're going to also have to remember put your clips back in there, and those go in clockwise. And I just want to go ahead and show you how easy these are to put in, because I know sometimes people tend to struggle. So when you push it up, you may have to just like wiggle it in a little bit, but lock it to the right. As you can see, it's already held in by that one. And then same thing for the one on the right. That one went a lot easier. Turn it to the right. That's relatively it, guys. You go ahead and close your glove box. Make sure it's blowing through. You can always start your car, verify that it does work, but should for you guys be relatively pretty simple. Hope you liked the video. If you did, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, thanks guys.